Welcome back, friends. Here is a ukulele lesson for the Beatles classic, You've Got to Hide Your Love Away. This song was featured on their album Help. It's pretty much a 4-chord jam. In this lesson, we're going to outline the chords with a basic strum. We'll embellish the strum with some bells and whistles. We'll add some special chord sequences. By the end of this video lesson, you'll be able to play this tune confidently, including the outro melody. Step 1, we're just going to block out the chords at a slow speed with a simple 6/8 strum. This will warm up our voices and our hands to the chord progression. The strum is down, up, down, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I stand, head in hand, turn my face to the wall. If she's gone, I can't go on, feeling 2 foot small. You can play the whole song that way. Sound just great, especially if you pick it up a little bit. So part 1 is just an easy breezy run through, making sure our chords are changing cleanly right on the beat. Now for part 2, let's do some more advanced things. We're going to play it a little faster. We're going to play a more complex rhythm. You'll also notice there'll be some more complex chords towards the end of this section, and I'll teach you those in section number 3. The rhythm we're going to play for this section, a little faster, it goes like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Feel the accents. Don't play everything hard, just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's run through the whole verse. 1, 2, 3, here we go. Here I stand, hand in hand, turn my face to the wall. If she's gone, I can't go on, feeling 2 foot small. Everywhere people stare, each and every day. I can see them laugh at me, and I hear them say, hey, you got to hide your love away. I'm going to show you all this next. Hey, you got to hide your love away. Part 3, let's learn these cool chord embellishments that really will bring the song to life, really flesh it out in a super cool way. Are you enjoying this lesson so far? If you're finding it helpful and inspiring, please reach out, click that like button. Be sure to subscribe to Ukulele Zen and share this video with a friend. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and be sure to check the links down below to access bonus lessons that take you deeper into all the subjects covered in this video, including how to play the outro melody as a chord solo. Check the links down below to join as a member and access all the bonus content available for members of Ukulele Zen. Part 3, 2 very cool chord embellishments. The first one is at the end of the verse. And I hear them say, hey. You can hear that descending bass line. And what's happening, and this will work fine on low G or high G tune. I'm on a low G, but it works the same either way. You're playing a bar chord at the 5th fret. It's a D major shape. You may like to bar all 4 strings at the 5th fret. The pattern is to pluck the 4th string, let it ring, and then strum twice. Then lift up that ring finger, strum, pluck, strum twice. Then shift down to the 2nd fret, add the ring finger, pluck, strum twice, lift up that ring finger, pluck, strum twice. The names of these chords is D, D with C in the bass, or D/C, D with B in the bass, and then D with A in the bass. So just work on putting these together, a little bit of a bar chord workout at first, but make it light with repetition. You'll get this under your fingers in no time. The second cool chord embellishment is this. We covered it in the Pinky Power video. That's where you play a D with a suspended, D, D suspended second, D without the suspension. Finally, part 4, we got this really cool instrumental. Now you can play this as single notes. Join in with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can play this as a single note solo while your friends strum the chords. Really brings an ensemble feel to this. You can also learn this as a chord melody. It's not too difficult, and I show you how to do this. In the description down below are links to bonus lessons. I create bonus content for enthusiastic learners like you. Check the links down below if you're interested in accessing those lessons. Let's play the whole song together now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links down below. Leave a comment. I appreciate you being here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I stand, head in hand, turn my face to the wall. If she's gone, I can't go on, feeling 2 foot small. Everywhere people stare, each and every day. I can see them laugh at me, and I hear them say, hey, you got to hide your love away. Got to hide your love away. How can I even try? I can never win. Hearing them, seeing them in the state I'm in. Could she say to me, love will find a way? Gather round, all you clowns, let me hear you say, hey, you got to hide your love away. You got to hide your love away. Thanks so much for joining in and jamming along. You can click up here and access a whole playlist of Beatles ukulele lessons. I hope you enjoy them. I'll see you in the next video.